Hi everyone, it's Louise, and I'm continuing along here making more coasters. And this particular set is for a friend who is looking for a sage type palette. And I'm going to have all the description below of all the colors I use. But I'm just making more coasters today. So you catch me here in the middle of making more. I'm voicing over because I was playing music, and I can't have that playing in the foreground. Yeah, so basically I'm starting out here with my MultiPro PPG, and going to start out with the first color, which is a folk art aquamarine with a little dab of golden carbon black in it. And as we go along here, I'm going to cover more details of each color. Also, I want to thank everybody for joining me today. And if you're new, please consider subscribing, hit the bell, and hit all, and you'll get all of my latest updates. And the next color I have is my Chantilly lace by Prizmpour. And certainly for those people that have been my frequent flyers, I appreciate you guys continuing to come back and supporting me. Without you, I couldn't do it and have the confidence to keep going. This here is my 24 karat gold. And once again, as I drizzle this down, I am not layering it in blobs. I am just drizzling it off the stick. Next color I have here is Obsidian. And I added just a drop of carbon black from Goldens to the Obsidian just to darken it up just a hair. And then this is my Quinacridone Nickelazzo Gold Burnt Sienna combo from Goldens. And this color combination is just, I think, works so well. And the layering works right. So I'm continuing on with the good thing here. Once you find something that works, I'm going to stick with it. So I'm going a little heavy-handed on that Quinag, and last color is my golden iridescent bronze. So I've got my cell activator. What I just laid down was the Amsterdam oxide black combined with Australian Floetrol, and that was the titanium white. So here I'm blowing it out, and then once I blow it out, I'm going to spread the pillow paint to the edges and then spin her out. And for anyone newer who's newer to the bloom technique, what I'm doing here with the straws, I'm just blowing in the center where I laid the cell activator down, and I'm spreading out the cell activator to help conjure up the paint pushing up from below so that I get those nice pretty cells in the middle. And I'm going to pick up the pace here a little bit and double time through this section because you can see what I'm doing. You know, the important part has been done, and now it's just a matter of spinning it out, and you can see that in double time. And once again, for anyone that's newer watching, I am cleaning up in between each spin and putting in that little container to my right. And I will reconstitute that paint for another pillow paint in the future after I strain it. And I clean up as I go because it makes it a lot easier to keep your area clean. And I save the paint in the meantime. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning up and keeping things much less messy as I go. So as I get near the end here, I start cleaning up my edges, and you always want to clean up your edges before you put your piece to bed so that the paint stops pulling down the sides. So once again, I want to thank everybody for joining me and supporting me, and I'll see you again next time. Take care, everyone.